You're not being lazy. Your brain just needs a break. If you find it hard to concentrate, this video is for you. First up, let's talk about distractions. Your phone is always within arm's reach, and those notifications just keep coming. For instance, you might sit down to study for a few minutes, and before you know it, you're checking your phone without even realizing it. Next, let's consider the lack of a clear plan. When your mind isn't sure what to do next, it often just shuts down. For example, you might sit down to study but feel lost about where to begin, which leads to losing your focus. Then there's the issue of not getting enough rest. A fatigued brain struggles to concentrate. Think about it. Late nights, not enough sleep, and skipping breaks can really slow you down. So, how can you turn this around? Here are some simple steps. Put your phone away. Pick one small task to focus on. Work on it for 25 minutes, and then take a quick break. Remember, focus isn't something you're born with. It's a habit you can develop over time. Just take it step by step.